tell him on a double diet.
Does the kitty know if she's being videotaped?
Hey y'all, it's Roz here. I'm no lawyer. I'm a spokesperson.
See, the lighting here is better than it was the other day.
And lawyer referral service. Don't be scared of
Kitsy.
about your car accident. Call 1-800
See?
Gary. Help is what Gary can do for you.
You're now an internet star. Now all they need to do is videotape a mouse and you can chase it on the internet. Not really, but I don't know. That joke kind of sucked. Hey.
If you're thinking you can't afford a new car, think again. I'm Scott thinking right now.
Ow! What are you scratching me for?
Because you pulled your hand away too fast. You gotta do it real slow.
They could be anywhere.
You're a weird cat. You know that? I don't want to videotape you anymore. You're like a prima donna. I'm out of here.